Down, up, down.
Climb in. Joke's panting already.
Knock away.
Woo! Look at this!
Holy moly. It's like a sheet of glass.
Car's down there somewhere.
They're all in it.
Nah.
Bugger of fish.
Ooh. Big fucking hill. Didn't fall, John.
What should this gone?
Check the fucking boot spot. Woo! Look at them. Look at that action. Check this place out. There's a wee seal out there, but he's just fucking dived. Look at it, it's fucking amazing. But look at the boots. Something lives in there. What? Don't know. Something lives in there, but cast here, do you reckon? Too good to pass by. Oh yeah, something lives down there too. What the fuck? You can't see in there, it's no working. Joke stole my hat. She's got a big burnt head. Oh, it is, bro. Look at this. Look at this. Made it all the way to the bay. No far to go. But look at these fucking boots. They're amazing. Feet are still dry. No giving a fuck. And they're no walking through the bay this time. Bastards flood it.
Alright, it's in the bay.
Coolest fucking bay out, but look at it, it's fucking stunning. Joke's just loving life. We're not far away, Al. We just have to climb to the top of that hill. And then that's it, we're there. We'll see you soon. Hill's not even fit for mountain goats. A bastard. Hey!
Hurry up, you fucking...
Oh, up in the wall! Making it! Yes! Made it! Top of the fucking hill! Fate all the way fucking down there somewhere. Car is in sight. Well, it's that far away you can't see it, but still, it's there. We walk through Tick Valley and we're fucking there. Easy. There it is, Al. We made it to the car. But check your boots. Hey, hey.